Imagine waking up tomorrow morning and discovering that Earth has stopped spinning. No sunrise. No sunset. Just chaos. Humanity would barely have time to understand what was happening before disaster struck. Here's what would really happen if our planet suddenly stopped rotating. Right now, Earth spins at roughly 1,670 kilometers per hour at the equator. We're moving so smoothly that we don't even notice it. But if that motion suddenly stopped while everything else kept moving, every person, building, tree, car, and ocean on the surface would continue traveling at that speed, thanks to a law of physics called inertia. And that's where the nightmare begins. The moment Earth stops, the atmosphere doesn't stop with it. Massive winds would continue racing around the planet at over 1,600 kilometers per hour. Stronger than the most powerful hurricanes ever recorded. Buildings would be torn apart. Forests flattened. Most structures on Earth simply wouldn't survive. People caught outdoors would be thrown violently across the ground. The initial impact alone could be catastrophic for billions. The oceans would also keep moving. Trillions of tons of water would surge across continents. Mega tsunamis hundreds of meters high could sweep inland. Entire coastal cities would disappear beneath walls of water. Places like New York, Tokyo, Shanghai, and Mumbai would be among the first regions devastated. The map of Earth would never look the same again. But the disaster doesn't end there. Earth's rotation currently causes our planet to bulge slightly around the equator. Without that spin, gravity would slowly pull the oceans toward the poles. Some equatorial regions could become vast new land masses, while enormous amounts of water accumulate near the Arctic and Antarctic regions. Entire ecosystems would collapse as coastlines are completely redrawn. One of the strangest consequences would be the loss of our normal day-night cycle. If Earth stopped spinning but still orbited the Sun, a single day would last an entire year. One side of the planet would experience roughly 6 months of continuous daylight. The other side would endure 6 months of darkness. Temperatures on the sunlit side could become unbearably hot. Meanwhile, the dark side would freeze. Only narrow regions between light and darkness might remain habitable. And then comes an even bigger threat. Earth's rotation helps power the processes that contribute to our magnetic field. Although the magnetic field wouldn't vanish instantly, major disruptions could occur over time. That field acts like a shield, protecting us from harmful solar radiation. Without strong protection, satellites could fail. Communication systems could break down. And increased radiation would make life much harder for many organisms. Would humanity survive? Possibly. But civilization as we know it would be transformed forever. Survivors would likely migrate toward regions with moderate temperatures. Food production would become a major challenge. Global infrastructure would need to be rebuilt from scratch. The world would become almost unrecognizable. Fortunately, Earth suddenly stopping is virtually impossible. The amount of energy required would be beyond anything humans could produce. But imagining it reveals just how important one invisible motion is to our survival. Every second of every day, we're riding on a spinning planet through space at incredible speed. And somehow, everything feels perfectly still. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more science mysteries and mind-bending facts about the universe.